Morning students. Today we are discuss about the topic the magnetic field at a point along the ax equatorial line due to a magnetic dipole. Let us consider the bar magnet. The bar magnet there are two poles, so north pole and then south poles. Okay, next here the north pole and south pole between a small distance are 2m. There are the pole strength of the north and south pole strength qm. Here qm and then qm. Okay, next the magnetic field at a point C along the equatorial line at a distance r from the geometrical center. Okay, next let us consider O, the distance from the geometrical center O to C distance called r. Okay, the power magnet commit by the distance here O to r called r. Now let us consider the unit magnet placed on the point C. Here the force of repulsion between for unit vectors, unit magnet and the north pole. Here there are two like poles. Here north pole and then here also north pole. The north pole and north pole here repulsion. Here also here south pole and the south pole here producing for the force of attraction. Okay, next here the axis called x axis and then y axis. Okay, next here x axis in the direction called I vector. Here minus I vector. Here j vector. Here minus j vector. Okay, next in the force of repulsion between force of, let us consider the unit vector, unit magnet placed at the point C, that a point C, the north pole. The north pole and the north pole here force of repulsion between for two magnet at a point C. The Fn is equal to here producing for the two geometrical two vertical components. There are two components. There are two components that produced by the C, horizontal components and then vertical components. Let us consider the vertical components. Let us consider the horizontal components. The vertical components in the force of attraction repulsion Fn sin theta and then Fs sin theta. Here also Fn cos theta and then Fn cos theta. Let us consider the vertical component. Let us consider the horizontal component. Here the force of repulsion between for north and north poles. Here Fn is equal to minus Fn cos theta I vector plus Fs sin theta into j vector. Here Fn cos theta I vector. Here also Fn cos theta I vector, Fn cos theta minus I vector. Here also Fn sin theta plus j vector. Okay, next here producing for the formula Fn is equal to the force of repulsion. Formula Fn is equal to mu naught by 4 by the pole strength qm by the distance. The distance called here using Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem, the distance find out for the angle. Let us consider the angle C. Here midpoint O, here M. Let us consider the R into L. The distance in the unknown value is find out from using the Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem here R dash is equal to R squared plus L squared whole power 1 by 2. Let us consider this value. This distance called this unknown distance. Now to find out the value. Here also R1 dash whole square. The R1 dash whole square value is equal to R square plus L square. R square plus L square. Okay, next the force, let us consider the unit magnet placed the point C, the here north pole, here south pole. The force of attraction between for the two magnets here producing for at a point C. The force is equal to at a point C. What's the value? The value called Fn cos theta I Fs sin theta minus j. Here Fs is equal to Fs is equal to minus Fs cos theta I vector minus Fs sin theta j vector. Okay, next from the equation there are two components. The vertical components are opposite direction. There are two vertical components, Fn sin theta and then Fs sin theta. There are both the opposite direction cancel to each other. Okay, next here Fn cos theta, let us consider the same direction here are the value. Okay, next from the equation 1, equation 2, we are comparing for both equation. The total magnetic field P is equal to minus Fn plus Fs cos theta. Here also Fs sin theta, Fs sin theta, both are opposite direction cancel to each other. The remaining factors Fn plus Fs cos theta. Okay, next let us consider the I vector. Here Fn value is equal to Fs, Fn value is equal to Fs. Here the magnetic field P is equal to, the magnetic field B is equal to that value minus Fn is equal to mu naught by 4 by Qm by R square plus L square. Here also this value mu naught by Qm by 4 by R square plus L square cos theta I vector. Here LCM 2 mu naught by 4 by Qm here R square plus L square cos theta I vector. Okay, next from the equation, the magnetic field P is equal to 2 mu naught Qm by 4 by R square plus L square cos theta vector I vector. Okay, now to find out for the cos theta value. Here according to the triangle NOC, a triangle NOC, here using for the triangle NOC, let us consider NOC. Now to find out the data, cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypothesis. Adjacent is equal to, adjacent value already known, adjacent is equal to L. The hypothesis value R dash is equal to R squared plus L squared in the whole power 1 by 2. Okay, next from the equation adjacent value, let us consider the L by R dash. Okay, next R dash is equal to R square plus L square whole power 1 by 2. Okay, next from the equation cos theta is equal to L by R square plus L square whole power 1 by 2. Okay, next let us consider the equation 1, equation 2. The equation 2 substitute in equation 1. Equation 2 substitute in equation 1. This value cos theta is equal to L by R square plus L square whole power 1 by 2. This value substitute here. Okay, next from the equation 1, P is equal to 2 mu naught Qm by 4 by R square plus L square. Cos theta value is equal to L by R square plus L square whole power 1 by 2. Okay, next from the equation 2 mu naught Qm L by 4 by here power 1 plus 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2. Here R square plus L square whole power 3 by 2. Okay, next from the equation, the comparing for both values. Here R value and L value. R greater than L. Here the L square value neglected. L square value neglected. From the equation, P is equal to 2 mu naught Qm L by 4 by R square whole power 3 by 2. Already know the value mu naught 2 Qm L. Let us consider the magnetic dipole moment. Okay, let us consider the 4 by R square whole power 3 by 2. 2 to cancel. Remaining factor P is equal to mu naught Bm by 4 by R cube. Let us consider the magnetic field at a point C on a equatorial line. Here the magnetic field acts on the equatorial line. The B equatorial line is equal to mu naught Bm by 4 by R cube. Let us consider the what's the vector? I vector. I vector minus I vector. Okay, next mu naught is the permeability of the surface. Pm is the magnetic dipole moment. Okay, next R is the distance between for the two magnetic pole strength. Thank you.